Action.
Hey guys, it's Dr. David Stoker, board certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. I have a beautiful 6-week post-operative result from a revision breast implant operation I'd love to share with you. Let's check it out. It's a gorgeous 44-year-old woman who had had 3 previous breast implant operations. She came to me for treatment of a capsular contracture on this side here, on her right side, which means it hardened and wasn't looking or feeling correctly. And she also had an asymmetry between the breasts. Lastly, she had saline implants in, so they didn't feel as natural as the latest generation cohesive silicone gel implants. So we switched her over to the newest generation cohesive silicone gel implants. We use the Sientra brand and smooth implants. Now, she previously had had both inframammary incisions as well as areolar incisions. We elected to use the inframammary incisions, and you can see down here it's beautifully healing, very difficult to differentiate from the crease underneath the breast, even at this early point, 6 weeks post-op. The reason I chose that is it's been shown to have a lower overall revision rate, but also this areolar scar was starting to be pulled in by the capsule and indented, and I didn't want to exacerbate that. I cleaned out the capsule on this right side with an in-bloc capsulectomy. That means I removed it like peeling away an eggshell on the inside, brought it out 100% entirely, washed it out diligently with triple antibiotics and betadine before we replaced the implants with newer ones. Now, another technicality is we went from larger implants to smaller implants. So the pocket on both sides was too big, so I tightened that pocket up on the sides to accommodate the smaller implants. These size implants that we had were originally, she came to us with 440 cc's on the left side and 470 cc's on the right side. We then switched those out. She wanted to be smaller and more symmetrical. So with the Gummy Bear cohesive gel implants on the left side, we dropped her down to 385 cc's moderate profile, and on the right side where she needed more volume, we used a 435 cc smooth, cohesive silicone gel, moderate profile implant. I'm very pleased with this result. I know she is too. And revision breast surgery can be kind of tricky, but it is fun for me at this point in my career, and this kind of result I find very satisfying. This is Dr. David Stoker, board certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles, talking about corrective breast implant surgery, correction of breast asymmetries, in-bloc capsulectomy, and cohesive silicone gel implants.